This is Wi-Fi US Smart Power Strip Surge Protector 3 plug outlets electric socket with 2 USB and 1 Type-C charging port. Long press the power button until the indicator flashes fast for app configuration. Now you can control the 3 outlets and the charging port independently via app and the main power button. Intelligently control the 2 outlets to turn on the 2 lamps independently. Add schedule for the power strip to control the connected electric appliances at a preset time.
Alexa, turn on switch 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off switch 1.
Okay.
Smart your life with MOES Smart Power Strip easily.